Hi, I'm Simita Benmocha, Senior Legal Counsel at OPSWAT. As legal counsel, one of my main concerns is compliance with data protection regulations and information security best practices. Today, I'm in OPSWAT's lab, and I have the opportunity to present to you OPSWAT's platform and how implementing OPSWAT's solution can help you protect your organization from vulnerabilities and cyber attacks. But before I do that, I want to tell you a little bit about OPSWAT. At the end, I will also give you a tip how you can start using some of OPSWAT's solution today. Stay tuned. OPSWAT is a US company founded 20 years ago in San Francisco, California. Today, OPSWAT has legal presence in over 15 locations around the world. During the time since it was founded, the portfolio of OPSWAT product grew a lot. And today, OPSWAT offers a comprehensive platform with a mission to protect the world's critical infrastructures. The US government identified 16 industries as critical to our lives. That means that any disruption to their operations could have a devastating effect on people's life. Critical infrastructure includes, among others, clean water and energy supply, fuel and transportation, communication, defense, banking, and health system. Critical infrastructure networks are known for their complexity, and in the past, they were kept isolated and separated. Today, this is not a case. The OT, operational technology environment, must communicate with the IT environment for operational and maintenance purposes. That line of data transfer between IT environment and OT environment creates a vulnerability, and therefore it is not surprising that the number of cyber attacks on these industries, given their critical nature, in recent years continues to grow. Let me start by presenting to you OPSWAT's platform to the IT environment, since most of us are familiar with it. It includes our computer devices and the applications and systems that we are using in our daily work. Malware can enter into this environment from various vectors, whether it is through an email attachment, files downloaded from the web, or unauthorized access. To provide you with visibility and control on any and all devices accessing your network, OPSWAT developed Meta Access that automatically manages endpoints access according to compliance requirements and policies defined by you. To help organizations handle all different types of attacks, OPSWAT developed the OPSWAT Meta Defender core platform that includes various malware detection and protection capabilities. To manage data entering into the network, OPSWAT developed email security gateway with phishing protection, deep CDR, sanitization of files by rebuilding a new and clean file, and multi-scanning that scanned files by more than 30 antivirus engines. To control data sent outside of the network and comply with data protection regulations, OPSWAT developed proactive DLP capabilities, which is data loss prevention. It reducts sensitive and personal information from the files before it let it leave the network. And finally, OPSWAT Neuralizer, our amazing product that gives you full visibility into your organization's OT assets and networks by continuously scanning the network, discovering assets, monitor them for irregular behavior, threats, vulnerabilities, and non-compliance issues. Now, I promised I will give you a tip how to start using OPSWAT solutions today. The first product you want to start using is OPSWAT Academy. As mentioned a few times, critical infrastructure are complex. Also, lack of training is one of the main causes for malware attacks. OPSWAT offers several courses specifically designed to provide training on CIP, critical infrastructure protection, but also in cyber in general, and best practices. I have already completed all the courses and definitely recommend it. The second one is Meta Defender Cloud, free version, available at metadefender.opswat.com. You can upload files and URLs and scan them for malware and vulnerabilities at any time. Don't waste time. Start using it today.